So cool.
Yep.
We should stick the GoPro.
No, thank you.
Go all the way around.
So it's about a mile from the parking lot, a little less.
0.7.
0.7, and we're here.
During a rainier season or right after rain, this would be a lot more water and you'd have to be a lot more careful.
It's really cold.
No, I tripped over a rock.
You better.
This is Olena. And I'm Isaac. We're moving to Hawaii!
But first,
We're driving from New York City to Seattle
with Smiley, our 9-year-old rescue pitty.
in our Tesla Model 3, equipped for camping.
And we are funding this trip with our Etsy store.
Meaning we are bringing around 50,000 earrings.
And 500 envelopes.
And our label printer.
On this 11-day cross-country road trip.
Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today! If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!